I wanted to touch briefly on the possibilities of Hive++. I know that Jingyu mentioned a lot of things with Hive++, but I think Hive++, when you think about it, it is the final missing piece that that brings Elastos together. Because if you think about it, currently you have a blockchain. You have your smart contracts there, getting executed by themselves, looking at the outside data through oracles now, through Chainlink. But at the end of the day, when you want to decentralize every part of your application, you can't really do that with just blockchain. So people have thought about a number of other solutions like IPFS, it works, and some other solutions like even Solid Pod from Team Berners-Lee, I guess. But all of those are still not viable solutions because, for one thing, IPFS it is slow and it's not very efficient when it comes to, like, if you wanted to just store something today, but then you want to delete it tomorrow, we can't do that because it's out there. So what Hive++ provides is that bridge between the centralized world and the decentralized world, where you're not really getting rid, you have control of your entire data. So any applications that you use with Elastos and application data, your user data, any of your private data, like feeds data, whatever data is out there, you can utilize Hive++ to store that on your own personal vault, we like to call it. Or you can also, use it to store publicly, something like IPFS. So in a way, Hive++ acts as a bridge. So this brings up a lot of possibilities because now it can be very, very efficient, and the authentication mechanism and all of those are handled through the DID, which is already working on Elastos. So Hive++ kind of brings everything full circle with the DID carrier, because that's how you'll be able to, carrier for communication, and maybe utilize IPFS or your own personal cloud drive for storing something. So, combining all of these, you can build pretty much any kind of application out there without sacrificing your privacy, because you're in control of your data. You can delete it at any time or do whatever you want with it. And businesses can start building their business models out of this new paradigm, because, when we talk about selling your data and so on and so forth, I personally believe that, you will finally be able to sell your data, and businesses can actually implement their own solution where they can purchase data, certain data, and Hive++, I think, will be a big part of it.